What's going on, guys? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today, I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but Dallas and Gus, actually, they got the transmission in Gus's 240, so, and it started right up. I think they're just putting in fluids and like checking if everything's okay. But right now I'm gonna head over there. If you guys didn't know, on my last vlog, I did say my wheels were for sale, and they still are because I'm trying to get 3-piece wheels. And if you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram. My Instagram will be right here, down below. And if you guys were wondering what the specs were again, they're 18 by 10.5 plus 12 squared all around. The tires are different sizes, so I have 225/35 Federals in the front. I have 225/40s Delantes in the rear. They are fairly new, so you guys are gonna get a good price off of them. Just DM me if you guys want the price. And here, I'll show you the fronts. The fronts are still brand new too. I mean, I barely drive this damn bitch. But yeah, I'm trying to drive this a little bit more than usual. Like what Gus would say, I'm a pussy, but it is what it is. But let's get today started and let's go.
Those are all of them.
What's up, dude? What's up?
Eric Sanchez. Guest star, Eric Sanchez. At Eric7.10.
Damn, our vlog, bro. So the transmission's in. Oh shit. Damn, dude. Oh, right there. Ow! Whose bubble shifter is that? Clean. Well, not your interior, but the setup. Did you max it out?
-5. That's just the top one.
-5? Did you do it on the other side?
Yeah.
Oh, there's no adapter on this side.
Yeah.
You gonna run adapters all around? Yeah, kind of looks
Look,
weird.
that shit went from here to there. You want to see it?
Let's just take it out.
Right, Josh? Josh calls it his bill.
You still drive it? What do you mean?
How? It's been sitting in a fucking driveway for fucking ages.
Yeah, you're right.
After I got those wheels from Kenny, I haven't driven it this.
Driven this? So, once this car is done, we're about to put it down on the ground. On the ground?
No, it's not, dude. We got to sweep.
But yeah, it's done and let's get it. Yeah! Yeah!
Also slides, huh?
Yeah.
Moment of truth. Let's get it.
See, this thing's legit, huh?
Oh yeah, dude, that thing's been staying for like a couple days now.
A week. Just make sure it doesn't get caught like that.
Hey, barely drop it.
Yeah.
The back wheel might land on the jack.
Hey, you need to run that hose. Dude.
No, it won't. No, it's not.
Hey,
Because
drop it.
it's gonna be the same way we jacked it up.
Hey, isn't the hose gonna get caught right there?
Nah. Because it lifts up.
Are you sure?
You are now manual. Wait. Let me just pull it out.
It's been like, damn, nigga, I just did a coil job.
You need to get more camber too. Because you did the...
Oh wait, the wheels are on this side, huh?
No, I think you were right. You're supposed to pick up on this side. The wheels are on this side. The wheels are on that side. Guys, you got anything to say to the subscribers before you start this bitch?
Yeah, where's my keys?
Anything to say since you found your keys?
I can't wait to stall this.
Let's get it. Oh, here we go. Shake that one time. Hey. Let me know how shitty it drives. Hopefully it doesn't drive shitty like the last time, bro. It's all the way to the right, back, right? To reverse.
speed like.
It's just I gotta sit like Josh.
Why?
Oh my god. I could, yeah, the clutch is so far. Oh, my foot's gluing to the fucking brake pedal.
Oh, you have fat feet. He's got fat feet. Reverse lights on? Hey, turn the lights on. Oh. He's good, he's good. Turn the lights on. Oh, damn, son.
Yeah, straighten out. You're good.
You're good.
Don't do that much, fool. No, straight. Yeah,
Dude,
don't turn the wheel that way.
I'm straightening it out.
Jeez, this fool doesn't even know how to drive.
Hey, you should check the air pressure in your tires. It's how low.
Damn. This shit is driving. Oh my god, let's see how fast it goes. Because on my other vlog, it barely had any horsepower, bro. It had like 30 HP. And that was because of the stickers. I know, right? Bro, you need reverse lights. Oh! Jesus! Hey, punch that shit, bro. After this car. Just pray to God that it doesn't drive like the last time.
I'm not trying to chirp the fucking tires.
Alright, go. Jesus.
Seems like it has more power. Yeah, it wouldn't have done that before.
Yeah. It has way more power. I think he just lost something.
Let me drive it real quick. Make sure everything's...
How is it? It's good? It was great.
I feel like I got more power.
So the swap was successful. We just gotta do the clutch engagement. Congrats on your second swap, bro. Congrats on your second swap. We out here doing swaps for the Iceyyyboyz. Why do you look so concerned?
Huh?
Why are you so concerned?
We might run out of gas.
Yeah, the light was on. It was like literally E.
What the fuck this nigga just hit?
He hit something?
Hit the kid. Hit the
No,
kid.
he probably just rubbed the fenders. That's what we were doing.
Huh? What was that?
Fender. I did a U-turn.
Oh yeah, it was the fender.
Hey, it feels like shit going into second. Even with the pedal all the way down, it doesn't feel right.
Really?
No, like it like clunks into gear. I had the pedal like fucking hard as fuck and it was still like...
Okay, maybe the second gear is fucked.
Let me adjust it more. Let's see if it'll help it.
So the swap's good. Second gear is kind of like off, but we're about to figure that out. But yeah, swap's great. So that'll be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. So Gus's car is running great. So now Gus could be drifting with us, and we do actually have an event, and it's some guy's event that we paid for. So we're probably just gonna be joining him. It is on February 15th, and it's at Grange. So I'll be drifting finally, and Dallas, Gus, Ricky, and Ivan. So 5 of us. Yeah, I think it's 5 of us. Yeah, and all of us will be drifting, and yeah, hopefully I don't hit a fence again. If you guys seen that video, yeah, the video of me hitting the fence with the MR2, the one event that Dallas hosted. But yeah, anyways, but hope you guys liked the video. If you guys like this video, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm out, guys. Later.